Let's turn this vintage sewing pattern into a trendy, modern 3-in-1 caftan. I am starting with the cutting of the side panels of this sewing pattern. And next, I will be cutting the front part of the sewing pattern. The front part of this vintage sewing pattern is where the work will be done. We will transform the front part of the sewing pattern to give it a more trendy and unique look. So as you can see, I have cut out the front, the middle pattern, as you can see on the screen. Then I am adding fabric weights to keep the fabric stable while I cut. I've just measured 6 inches, and then I cut from the neck side. Yes, almost like a triangle. From the neck side to the marked part of the sewing pattern. Now I am serging. You have to serge if you are working with chiffon fabric. You have to serge or overlock. Now I am creating the front facing. I measured 2.5 inches and I marked 2.5 inches, and then I used the ruler to rule and create that strip of facing. And then I sew. After sewing, I cut out facing. And then I place it on the front. And so after sewing, I would now iron in place. The ironing part is very important, so make sure you do this carefully. Next, I am cutting the belt. I cut out 5 inches and I folded it into 2, and I created the belt that I would use for the inside of the caftan. It's going to be the tie belt, but it would be located inside the caftan and not outside like the vintage print. The vintage print has the caftan belt on the outside. Now I am going to be attaching the belt in between the middle piece and the side panels. As you can see on your screen, I am using a sewing pin to attach the belt, and then I'll sew it. Next, I will attach the side panel piece to the middle piece while ensuring that the belt will be sewn in such a way to not appear visible on the front of the caftan. It will be a hidden tie belt. You can see. Next, I will iron. Now, after ironing, this part is the part where the channel will be created. This is the 2 inches below the belt, and this is where you create the little channel where the drawstrings will be threaded through. After that, after you've done the marking, you sew down and sew down. Take this to the sewing machine and you sew the channel. As you can see, you are sewing right at the edge be very careful while you're sewing, that way you don't make any mistakes. And then you do the rest, then you do the same thing to the other side of the channel. That little allowance there. This seam allowance is where you thread the drawstrings. Now you thread the drawstrings with a safety pin. It's the easiest part. Just thread it right through. And then you do the same to the other channel. And that will be your drawstring. You can choose to put this on the left or on the right side of the caftan. It doesn't matter. Whichever side you choose. Then this is the back of the sewing of the caftan. This is the back of the caftan. You attach the front and the back, and you sew that. So you hem, and you're done. This styling option 1. This is without the tie belt. So you just a simple caftan, very simple, easy, breezy, easy. That's styling option 1. It's very simple. You can wear this over a bikini, over a pair of jeans. And then if you want the shape to give your caftan a unique look, then you tie the belt. As you can see on your screen, I am tying the belt behind me, and I zip up, and this is the other look. This styling option 2. It's very simple. You have a simple, unique, shapely looking caftan. You can wear this out. You can wear it out to go shopping, to church, to any event, or just, a simple, easy outfit to wear. And now the third styling option, you just pull the drawstring, just pull it, and this is what you get. An asymmetric, trendy, modern, beautiful look. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me if you want to try this.